Okay, we're trying an experiment now here with the CMI software on a Pi5, but I've put it up to 3 gigs. So let's see what it does. This is real time, you know. The sound goes through the sound blaster, and that sounds pretty awful at the minute. I think I might have to look. Well, I thought it would be digital through there, to be fair. I might have to look into. Here we are. I might have to look into using a what's the word I'm looking for? I2C. Let's do page 2. Okay, I'm gonna use the mousey here. Sorry, I've got to do it multiple hands. So let's load this one up quick. This should be quick, yeah. Oh, gotta get the cursor in the right place. That's loaded. Now we'll load the tube mill. This will be the VCs, the voices, the controls. And normally this was taken on a Pi4. This is taking forever, yeah. But we see it going through. It's looking. This file here gives it an indication of which of these voices and controls it wants to load. It doesn't load the RS, which is the real-time sequence data. So you see it's gradually loading these in, and I put a little mechanical keyboard, albeit an American one, on here just because it's got the sound of the CMI. But let's just see if this thing actually does anything in a minute. And often what happens is it finishes loading and you're sort of left there with no clue, no audible clue. And when I was playing it earlier on a Pi4, it was probably about a third of the speed. That's finished, so it's about a third of the speed. On a Pi5 Bear, it was about just under half. So now we do PR for page R, yeah, for real-time sequencer. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, and so now all the notes have come in, so then we can just do play. So I'm going to type play because I like the mechanical noise, yeah. Let's see what it does. It's getting there. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting there. A bit more overclocking. Now, to be fair, the voice is, this is digital, and the Fairlight will go through a series of its own filters, and it's got no filters coming out. There's no hardware that it's filtering through yet. I mean, this will make a lovely welcome alternative or companion to the Atari. Get the sampler working here. This one I'll probably use the virtual version. Niels' version is cool. I've got my basses and guitars, so roll on spring when it's warm enough to do this properly. But that's actually kind of working, yeah? How sick is that? I'll show you how I built this on the Pi. It took ages. I couldn't build it on the Pi5, but let me just stop this. So it's S for stop, and then return. Now, I don't know, I'll have to check this for audio later, but anyway, that's basically kind of working. Yeah, it's not brilliant, but hell, much better on my 5600G Intel for the win, yeah? Maybe one of these little Nook devices would be cool. I have a friend with a Nook, so I feel I'll be visiting his place and saying, dude, can we play with this? The only problem I have now is that I rebuilt the kernel, or updated it, and I had a driver, experimental driver someone wrote for this Midex, and that's gone. So I now need to try and rebuild that, but I'll do that from the warmth of my house because it's bloody cold in the garage. We'll see if I can get that working, yeah. If I plug the thing in, it seems to stop the Pi booting because it can't find the device. Anyway, I'm stoked about this. So you have to press the scroll lock and then escape to get out of the thing, yeah. So yeah, I'll have a look and see how the performance went, but this is quite good fun. If you want to know more about this, I borrowed off some other people on the internet. I'll give them credit, not in a minute because I can't remember who they are. I think it's B.ART is one of the guys on YouTube. So I'm not trying to claim I did this. I just basically built it for a Pi4, moved it across to a Pi5 and sped up the Pi5, and it's kind of working. A lot of underflows there. That makes sense, actually. So the sound buffer's a bit crap. So maybe what I'll do is I'll try sticking an I2C device in there and see if this goes away. Yep. Okay. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you had a bit of fun watching our old Fairlight running on this little thing here. Yep. Okay, cheers. Bye.